So basically, bro, about I'd say about 10% of actual trading and about 10% of trading in the stock market, day trading, swing trading, etc., is the actual trading. The other 90% is the preparation. It's the doing your technical analysis, looking at the fundamentals, watching the price action, planning out your trades, your entry levels, your exit levels, where you're going to take profits, where you're going to scale out. The first resistance you're going to scale out at, the second resistance, the third resistance, and all that. You feel me? That's 90% of what trading in the stock market is. So, again, that's why the daily morning briefings, the information, all that stuff is very important, because what that does is it saves you a lot of time. So then you can just go ahead. You still have to put in the work and learn, but at least you know the market sentiment and what tickers and or trading vehicles are going to have some price action for you to trade off of for that day, or maybe that few days if you're swing trading. That way, then you can get up, go ahead, map out, find all your different levels, key levels, support and resistances, and plan out your trades. That's most of it. And then the last 10% is there just waiting for the price action to come down to your levels or where you want to take profits from. I just thought I'd throw that out there. You know what I mean? I basically said that to say that you need to don't just be taking trades to trade, like, and hoping that stock or whatever, goes up or down or hold support. Hoping and praying and having faith has nothing to do with trading. That doesn't matter. The stock market doesn't care. The market's the market. So there's no room for hoping and praying and holding onto a stock when it's clearly a loser. Never bag hold. If you don't know what bag holding is, it's when you get caught holding the bag. Basically, you took a trade, and when you clearly see that it's not going in your favor, you're still holding on to it because you don't want to take the loss and realize the actual loss. But it'll keep going down and just leaking and leaking. You're just losing more and more money, first of all. And then there's also the opportunity cost, because while you have your capital tied up in some trade that may, yeah, eventually recover, but how long is it going to take? Is it going to take 6 months? Is it going to take 6 years? Like, that's opportunity cost. So you got to know when to cut your trades. And a part of all that is planning out your trades and your levels. So, hey, if this stock hits my level here, I'm going to go ahead, hits the resistance and hold. I'm going to watch it. It looks bullish. If it crosses over my directional SMA, that in VWAP, at the same time respecting the support and then bouncing, that's at least three bullish factors in your favor towards your thesis to the upside. So now, hey, maybe I can go ahead and grab some. Maybe grab, and you don't always have to grab your full size. Like, if your full size is 1,000 shares, you don't have to grab 1,000 shares here. You can also scale into your position. All right, let me go. It looks like everything's going in my favor. Let me go ahead and grab 25%. Now, if it keeps moving in my favor, you can scale in. All right, let me go grab another 25%. Now you got 500 shares. It's going up. Now let's see what it does next. Now, hit the support, it's held. It bounced. It crossed over the short-term directional SMA, which again is this blue line, the 10-day SMA. Also crossed over VWAP. which is a bullish sign, all right? And it bounced off of that support with a decent amount of volume. That's also a bullish sign. Then when it crosses over that red 120-day directional moving average, that's definitely a bullish sign. Now you're in an uptrend. So once you see it do that, you can go ahead and grab a full position at that point. And if you would have done that, that thesis would have worked out perfect, because we would have went from, what's that, 30 to 42? Boom. And then if you don't want to hold it overnight, fine. Cash out at the end of the day. That's a nice little swing trade right there. So look, 30 to 42, $12. So imagine grabbing 1,000 shares at 30 and selling them at 42. That's 12 grand. I mean, that's decent money, bro. I don't give a fuck what no one says.